Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open Google Ads and immediately pick a clear objective, streams or mailing list signups, because everything else flows from that goal. Once done, upload your short audio or video clip and clean artwork. These control creative quality and CTR. Then, set tight geographic and demographic layers to avoid wasted impressions, and choose a conservative test budget like $5, $15 per day so you gather data fast without overspending. Make sure to link your landing URL and analytics for conversion tracking before launching. You now construct campaigns with intent. Pick video for YouTube brand lifts, display for discovery, or search if fans are searching your name. Create 3 ad variations: a 0.5-second hook, a 6.20-second body, and a 4.6-second CTA so you can A/B test messaging. Once done, define keyword themes and add negative keywords and placement exclusions to reduce noise. Make sure to set bidding, maximize conversions or target CPA, and link to a focused landing page for accurate measurement. You review performance after 7-14 days and prioritize metrics: CTR and view rate for creative health, conversions and CPA for business impact. Once you spot winners, scale by increasing budget or expanding similar audiences. Pause ads with persistent low CTR or high CPA. Make sure to run audience and placement reports to refine targeting and test landing page variants to lift conversion rate. If things go wrong, first check tracking pixels, URL redirects, and audience overlap. Fix those and rerun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.